Yo, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? It's your boy Ty A back with another banger. So it is 414, right? Wednesday, 414, April 14th. All right, so what I'm doing right now is I'm just looking at the market. So in a second, I'll go ahead and change my screen. I'm trying to find a play. I think I found a great little buy in GU. So I'm going to explain why I'm taking a buy, right? And then I'm going to go ahead and buy. All right. So first, I come to the market. It looks like, well, market has already been trending up, right? So I'm like, okay, for sure. Next, I see that price is kind of like in this little, this zone where it has already, in a sense, hit its high. So all it's doing now is pulling back, boom. So I feel like price is gonna end up somehow, some way, get it back to this area and completing the trend that it was already in. Now, is it just gonna do that right now? IDK. Let's go to like the 4 hour. I know you're seeing a little bit of red on the 4 hour. But in a sense, I kind of just see higher highs and higher lows. Here's the 2. Price kind of just sitting in a slow consolidation area after it hit its high. So I feel like it's still going to push to the top side. If we get under 4, I'll cut the trade, right? But I definitely feel like, it's going to hold here. I feel like it's going to hold this zone and end up pushing to the top side. Let's see. Dollar. Basically, this shit is red right now. All week, it's been going to the downside. So, I mean, let's say, we keep breaking. Obviously, we'll get to see some rise on the way up. So, what I'll do is do it like this. I'll throw a trade in and just throw my stop, like, obviously underneath this 4 right here and call it a day. So that's like a 15 pip stop loss. So take my phone out. Take my phone out. Let's see. So I'm about to go ahead, go over to the MetaTrader right now. Right. Pop a little trade in and just set this thing up with a stop loss. Give me a second. Okay, so that's done. All right. No, I'm not directly in a profit. The price always starts you back and shit. So really, it wouldn't open my position until it gets a little bit up here. You know what I mean? Like 634, 641, because you still got that spread and shit. So here's the stop right here, and we just let this joint play out. Right now, I could have waited for price to get to like 687 or like a little bit higher, but if anything, I'll just double down and I'll take another position at 87. I'll take another position at 789. And move it to the top side like that. So right now we chilling, we vibing. Nothing's really going on, and let that shit do what it's gonna do. But I do have a question, like, what do you guys do when you trade? What do you do when you trade? What is your activity that you do? For me, like, I make music. I don't know where my controller is at, but usually I play Fortnite and stuff. I feel like that's really fun. Shit, I write. You know what I'm saying? I think of new business ideas and business plans and stuff like that. So I have to make Forex fun. I have to make this trading thing fun, because other than that, it's literally just looking at candlestick charting, and you're really bored as shit. So, yes, I love the live trader sessions, but that's why you always see me having music and dancing and vibing. Just because. Like, really, shit, what is Forex? You know what I'm saying? This shit is boring as fuck. You know what I'm saying? Um, like I said, my strategy, man, is super simple. I do the same thing every single day. I'm not switching nothing up. I'm not gonna publish a billion strategies because I don't have a billion strategies. I get in, I look at the market, I see where it's going, and I move. Okay. Now when it's like you know, me talking to an audience or something like that, I have to explain what I'm doing, because it's like, you know, people are watching, or what the fuck are you doing? You know, hey, I'm putting some, you know, some baking soda in here now. Now I'm mixing the pie, so I have to, in a sense, bring you along, right, into the world as we, you know, develop this and stuff like that. So you're like, well, you know, let us see the charts again, and we'll get back to the charts. We'll get back to the charts right now. We just vibing, all right? Back to the charts. We just vibing. Could throw some music on this shit, but what I really feel like is I'm gonna probably end up playing Fortnite or something. You see me establish this trade. I don't want this to be one of them 30-minute videos, because I mean, shit, like, nobody 30 whole ass minutes though, Ty. You feel me? When I know I can get it done in 10 or less. You feel me? So everything's set up. I'll let it play out a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I'll let it play out a little bit so you can at least see it, just so you like, oh, nah, you trying to leave. You know what I'm saying, before it get hot. And it's like, nah, I like to let everything play out. I'm one of those traders where I'll take my win just like I take my L. You know what I'm saying? So I really love when everything plays out, just because, you know, you can see it, what I'm about. You see, it's like, if this nigga's, is he really a shooter? You know what I'm saying? Can bro really shoot the ball? Like, if you hide it, you know what I'm saying? If you get on here and then you, oh, I'm gonna come back in 30 minutes, then the market all the way up. Like, nah, let us see that shit play out, player. Let me see what you do when they get hot, player. You know what I'm saying? So that's where we at with it right now. What's dope is, shit, if you were TFX, you would have caught this earlier too. You would have cashed out at 138 already. You feel me? So this would just be the second time you be getting back into the market. This shit moving slow as fuck this morning. I'm about to put these headphones on to listen to some music. Some music. Yeah. I'm tired of blood be smacking.
What's good? Tyllionaire.
Go crazy, baby.
Back with another one. Hey, I'm back with another one. Big collection, gold edition, it's that 101. This that NFT league, had to do it to him. In the league, have him flipping off that roof, ayy. Turn it up and have your speakers knocking and booming, ayy. My meta trader still running off in that room, ayy. They cook the pound dollar trade off in that coupe, boy. That nice pack, hitting hard about the recluse, ooh. That pack of loud when you are that light, ooh. Street sweeper, keep the distance in the booth, bitch. Oh, my charts and hit my motherfucking moves. Out of market easy, call my screws loose. We the outlaws. I fucked the marker off, forgot to wear a stop loss. Hold a trade, if it bustin', I'ma pop off. Put a laser around my head and I'ma drop off. Fuck it 3 times a day and then I got on. Hit the broker up on Thursday, withdraw. Then hit the banker up, man, that's a big call. A big ball, big dog. If you step, then we gon' step. Run it up to see the numbers, but I never see the wall. ATS tucked in the engine, I'ma let them have it all. It's not a tune to get my nigga, this shit right here make you a boss. Level up your fucking loss, become a winner on your guap. Level up your talk, nigga, conversation is the destination. So you're all in legislation and finance. Then you come raw, put on a gas mask. Hit the market every day, blacked out. Wait for your payment, then you go. This the same thing, this the lane change. Money off the rain, mind frame, get the change. Then I get paid and get laid. Look, you probably pay K, but I'd rather let my girl cook. Catalog the dinner's 5-star, not that broke shit. Order up that Wagyu steak, look, better late than never, but I'm never usually late. Fashionably, but that's only when I ride to a state. I'm fascinated cause I'm tired of motherfucking great lately. Money mine, on Forex in the money line, making money pie, stack the money to the sunny sky.
You tapped it or not? You got your hoodie or not?
Money rhymes, go ahead and do
Did you earn your hoodie or not?
Betty Crocker crack that motherfucker till it's money time. Direct all access to eBay support 100 times. Taking all axes on another shrine. Breaking down the trades like breaking bad in the desert night. And RV, carving blunts, sparking, tired of my malarkey. I trade what I see, so I triple beam the chart scheme. Seems that way. Play level is varsity, I'm starting. This a harder move, they better off eating ice cream. But if you endure, you living just like me. Like me. Put them out, put them out, put them out. Go ahead and put them out, put them out, put them out, put them out. Go ahead and put them out.
So check it out. So I'm gonna be back, right? I'm gonna let this thing go ahead and play out. I thought we was gonna get some action, you know what I'm saying? let this thing go ahead and play out. And when I come back, I'll clip everything together. We'll have a full video. All right, BRB. Yo, what's going on? What's going on? Okay, so I'm back. So the market is moving, right? The market is moving. Like I said, I had to play a little bit of Fortnite or something. I couldn't just sit and look at that shit. I'm gonna keep it a bean with you. So let's go back over to GU right now. All right. Then I'll keep it here so you can see the time and shit. Probably. All right, so there we go. All right, so the time, once again, Wednesday, April 14, 2021. It's 6:36 a.m. right now. Right, we got some GU bulls. Got some GU bulls. All right, so there you go. All right, so that's that jit playing out. Like I said, you see me come in, set it up, take my trade. Price broke out to where I wanted it to break out to. I want to cash out at 138. It looks like it's gonna keep floating. What I'll do, since now I'm in this position, is I'll manage this trade. Right, I'll manage this trade. I'll go to like the 15-minute. All right, and start throwing in trailing stops. So for the first position I took, I'll put a trailing stop at 675. All right, let me go ahead and do that right now. All right. Boom. Let me see. 675. I'll put a trailing stop there. All right, so 675. I got a TS right there. For this open position at 680, let's see. I'll put his trailing stop at 137.745. So 137.745. All right, and then for this one, all right, that's basically 800. All right, I'll put the stop at 826, 137, 826. So I'm adjusting all my stops right now. Oh, how do you trade? I gotta adjust my stops. I be trying to keep my what's that shit called? My profit. You feel me? So like I said, there's some really good gains this morning. You know what I mean? I don't need to show you guys how much I make every day. Oh, this is like, that's not what it is. The thing is, I got the skill. This is what I do. You know what I mean? This is what I do for a living. You know? Like some people, they play basketball for a living. You know? For me, I trade Forex for a living. So what I do is really, really simple. I keep things simple because I like my process to be duplicatable, especially, you know, when I'm working with people or, you know, when I'm helping other people out. I like my assists to be, you know, really, really dope and stuff like that. So for this play, I feel like this was really, really simple. The market doesn't always move as as fluid as this, right? One of my favorite pairs is GU, so you'll see me often come to Great British Pound, US dollar a lot. Also, you know, what you watch me implement as well, and I hope, you know, some of you guys from TFX are watching, but you know, me using that trailing stop, implementing a trailing stop. Okay, I'm in profit now. Boom, adjust my shit and let's float. Let's make this dough, you know. But let's keep trading. It's gonna be a pretty good day for me. I'm up right now. I have stops in, so I'm in profit. And you know, now I'm gonna go play Fortnite or something and just let my trades pretty much run. Either it's gonna run and I'll make more money, right? Or it'll pull back, smack my stops, and then, you know, I'll get a chance to decide, you know, what it is that I want to do. Do I want to continue trading for the day and take more trades, or do I just want to wrap it up, you know, at whatever price it is? All right, so it's your boy Ty. All right, and I'm about to get up out of here. That was that little quick GU trade. You feel me? Some dope content for YouTube. I could put, I don't know what the title's gonna be. It's probably something super clickbaity, something to get you to click. You know what I do. You know what I'm saying? But hey, once again, it's your boy Ty. Thank you for watching. I got a lot of more content tuned in. We got our giveaway coming on not this Monday. Well, yeah, the Monday coming up. Tour on the way. So I'll be releasing where you can get the information for that. You'll be purchasing your tour tickets through Ticketmaster. All right. Album on the way. I got a lot of stuff on the way. So just stay tuned. Definitely turn on the notifications. It's your boy Ty, and I'm out. Peace.